Hello chaps and welcome back to Tino Car Care. We've been called out by Morgan Motors to take care of one of their cars. So follow me and let's have a look at the car. Stay tuned as we're en route to the insane Morgan Motors showroom. Follow me and let's check out the showroom. So the Morgan Motor Company builds classic cars with modern day power and technology. Each of these cars is blessed with a BMW turbocharged engine, as well as an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Okay, so I've been told that this is the place where the customer comes to pick the color that he wants for his car. Let me know which color you'll go for your Morgan. Me personally, I'll go for the Tino blue. It has also got modern day comforts such as USB ports, Bluetooth and heated seats. Pack that in with the classic style and beauty that these cars possess, and you quickly realize that we have a real masterpiece on our hands. Can you believe that this car was made in 2021? Okay, so let's see what we have in store for us. Okay chaps, so this is the car we're going to be working on today. This right here is the Morgan Plus 6. It has been endowed with a 3-litre turbocharged BMW sourced engine, which cranks out 335 brake horsepower and does 0 to 60 in around 4.2 seconds. But anyways chaps, let's waste no time and get started on these wheels as I spray it with wheel cleaner. With all of that dirt and brake dust pressure washed off all of the wheels, I clean them up using a mitt and multiple brushes. With the wheels completely clean, let's snow foam this modern day classic. Because of its classic design, the pressurized water can leak through the roof and windows, which is why you see me avoiding the upper parts of the car with the foam. While the snow foam is softening and breaking down the dirt in the car, be sure to give this video a like. Time to rinse off the snow foam. Chaps, comment below what are your honest thoughts on this car. Stick around to the end of the video as I'll be showing you how you can clean a soft top roof without getting it wet. Let's now clean this elegant car with my ultra soft microfiber wash mitts. I first clean the upper parts of the car, now I move on to the lower parts with a different set of mitts. The more intricate areas are taken care of with a Tino detailing brush. Head on over to tinocarcare.com to get your hands on any of the products you see me using.
Be sure to subscribe if you want more interesting videos like this one.
I now rinse off the shampoo. Which do you prefer, classic cars or modern cars? Let me know in the comments below. Time for the Tino ceramic snow foam. It can be used as a standalone for protection levels of 1 to 2 months, or it can be used for topping up your existing coating. Just look at that amazing level of water beading, as the water does not stick to the car. Drying the car now becomes a breeze, as I use a microfiber drying towel followed by an air blower. This video is sponsored by Turbo Watches, which has been inspired by your favorite cars. To get your hands on a Turbo Watch, then head on over to turbowatches.shop and use the code TINO to get 10% off. I now clean the windows. Let's make our way into the interior and vacuum it. Time to clean these beautiful seats with the Tino scrub pads and the interior detailer. Here is a top trick to take care of your soft top roof. That is a lint roller. As you can see, it is removing all of the dust and pollen from the roof. This is done once the roof is dry, as if it is wet, the lint roller will not be effective. The Tino exterior detailer brings in that extra gloss and protection. And the tire shine finishes this wash. Here are your results. Enjoy. This classic Morgan is looking ready for its new owner to pop by and buy it.
I would like to thank Morgan for having us down here today. Be sure to check out their cars if you're interested in getting one. Anyways chaps, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.